What's going on, everybody? I'm just doing like just a random stream. I need to build a class portal out for my website, and I thought it was an easy way to do this. So I was doing it by scratch, and it was taking a long time. So I saw that Google had a new AI tool out called Stitch. It's similar to Figma, because you still can make modifications in it. But what I've learned so far is that you can take this design that it makes out, and I mean, it's a pretty cool design I'm going to show to y'all. So it can take a design from that is made, you can import it over into Figma, make changes up in Figma, and then from, I have a Wix website. For y'all say, I'm not a designer, I'm not a web designer like that, like I don't do, this is not my thing, like I might be in tech, I just don't do, I know how to build them. But when it gets to the whole design aspect of it, it's like not my niche, so I have to learn from other people or pull ideas from like Pinterest or Cosmos, places like that. But this helps out with it because I can take it and then sync it up from Figma into Wix and make the whole thing for me. So it's going to take what was going to take hours and days because I'm still learning. I've never built out a class portal before. And rather than pay somebody to do it, I'm like, why not how to do it myself? I mean, if y'all follow me on my last stream, I think it wasn't last week, it was before last, while I was doing on an agent, that's somewhat finished out. Like, it's working. And, like, well, I didn't really show y'all. I mean, I can show y'all a quick portion of it. Let me use my demonstration. So I have, let me bring up. So this is my agent build that's done already. So I have Ollama running, and I have a lot of it running off Hermes too. So what I've done is I've got my agents built out. You don't have to use Hermes. You can use Hermes or you can use Ollama. And there's another one that's out too that I saw. It's like it's so many people building out so many different local LLMs that you can use and install on your machine. It's like I don't want to do all of them because now you can sync up DeepSeek with Ollama. And I'm just like, I gotta stop. I gotta stop. I mean, I'm building out more agents. But if you look at my workflow, so I have it going from the scheduled trigger. Let me bring my screen in front of me because I can't necessarily see. So I have it going from the trigger to my message model, and my message model is telling it to pull from my own personalized, customized, trained agent, which is Ollama. So I've built my own memory bank within Ollama, so it knows who I am, how it creates messages based upon me. And I had it going to HTTP requests because I was trying to pull, what the purpose of this was to do was pull up clients for me, find clients for me. The next thing is going to be to actually, once they find them, to start reaching out to them. Right now it's on me, so it creates a spreadsheet for me to pull up, and then from there I can send out emails and stuff. I can do just mass marketing, just email. But I was using Serp House. I didn't know Serp House wasn't free. Serp House only gives you 400 credits to use a month. So I was like, there has to be another one. So there's two more actually. So you can sync up DuckDuckGo, and this is 9. I think it's how you say it. This NAN. I think it's how you spell 9. But this you can use DuckDuckGo in here for your HTTP request to do search out on the web, but it's slow. So I use another one called SearchSing, which is just another search tool platform. And what it does is it groups in almost like your MCP. So it groups in all of your multiple search engines from like Bing to Google to, I don't think Yahoo's in there. It might be in there, but it groups in a bunch of your search engines into one. And that's free. Like it's an open source thing. It's an open source search engine tool. It's free. And so I was able to build that in, and it's supposed to be faster. I don't know how true it is yet because my scheduled report is supposed to run like 9 o'clock in the morning. So I have it going into my HTTP request, which sends out the query. I'll open it for you all to see. So this is all the data is pulling from the query. So I'm looking for hospitals I want to work with, building out training tools to people like construction companies or media industries that need drone footage type things, or tech companies that might, well, not tech companies, but small business that might need data center build. So it's pulling all that data for me. And what it's doing is running through my AI agent, and from my AI agent is directing that traffic to go into a spreadsheet, a Google Drive spreadsheet, so I can watch it, and then to let me know if I'm on the go through a Telegram message. Telegram is free too, so it sends me a direct message in the Telegram telling me who these potential clients are and who I can reach out to. And so it provides phone numbers, but it's not as detailed as I want. And then I want to do a lot more work on its own and just come to me for a blessing. So if there's some more to do with that, but so far it's clean. Like, it's clean. I got this running dedicated off of my GPU. So I've given it full force to run off of that and not try to go off my old Intel i7 7700 processor. And so I haven't had any, I mean, I did have one issue when Surpass credits ran out, but it's actually been pretty good. So I still have a little bit more to do on it, which I'll probably do some more of that build either tomorrow. I definitely do it on Sunday. Like, I definitely schedule time on Sunday to work on this some more. But because I'm pressed for time and like I have bad ADHD, because I have so many things I'm working on, like I got to finish working on, I got to start really working on this documentaries I'm doing for this gun club I'm part of. And there's more stuff I have to learn with this nonprofit I volunteer with. So I got to talk with the chair right now, because we're working with AI agents to do some of the stuff for us, and I got to see what she wants me to put into the agent and what does she want to see come out of it, so I can really start getting focused on that. And then I got my own personal stuff. So I got my business I got to really promote and push out there, because I want to set an objective to have at least 6 more clients before June or July. So I want to pick up some more clients. So in order to do that, you got to reach out to at least 100, 200 something people, 300 something people, if not more, to get at least 2 to 3 out of that 2 to 300 people. And yes, it's really that case, unless people just like your price and they start bombarding you. And I want to start putting bids out on government contracts and stuff too. But anyway, so that's that. What I need to do now, so I got to teach. I'm teaching this class on audio engineering, then I'm going to start teaching more classes on like AI agents and stuff too, and on data center stuff, and then stuff as I learn along the way. So I'm setting up this whole class portal. I'm setting Perform for everything to be built out, but I want to do it myself. I want to do it myself because I like learning new stuff, and sometimes I don't care how long it takes. I'm kind of pressed for time to a degree, but yeah, I want to do it myself. So that's why I found Stitch. So let me go over to it, because I've already ran a command. Where is it at? Oh, let me pull this out of the way. So this is Stitch. Like, if y'all never seen Stitch before, Stitch can design a whole website, an app, or whatever. So if you come over into Stitch, and y'all ain't gonna catch me slipping. I don't look at no indecent stuff in my browser like that. So you can have it design you an app and or a web client or website or whatever. I've already put the prompt in. This has actually been pretty good. I had never heard about this, so I am a part of the Google their lab programs that, like, when new stuff come out. I guess I just haven't been paying attention to my email, because I didn't see this come out, and I just so happened chance to come across this looking at new AI stuff that's out there and what Google is doing with this innovation stuff. Just like they just invested in Anthropic, which I'm curious to see why. I need to read the article why they invested so much money or plan to invest so much money into Anthropic when they have their own stuff. But I found Stitch. And from there, I ran my prompt in for it to build out. No, that's Figma. Where's it at? Right here. Out this class for me. When I tell you, this thing is fire. So once it builds it out, it can actually load a preview for how the site is supposed to work. Like, this is clean. Like, I still got to edit up some of the title of it. Of course, my class is not the Instance Academy. It's called a digital lab. So I need to edit up this header up here. Like, can I do that right now? I sure as hell can. Um, connect to screen, change with AI. So I need to change this. So I think I'm gonna change it up in Figma. So I need to change. But I mean, anyway, see, there's ADHD. But the layout is clean, and then you can have it make tweaks along the way. Like even if you click on some of the tabs across the top, some of them work. Like over here, this works. So this takes you into like the portal itself. I just love how all of this is exactly what I was looking for when I was trying to figure out how did I want this thing to look. So I found a template, not even a template, just a mock-up that somebody had made in Cosmos. And Cosmos is like Pinterest, if y'all don't know what that is. And I took their mock-up and ran it through Stitch, and it came up with, I told it exactly what I wanted to do. So my purpose of it was, it's supposed to be a class environment for multiple classes that I'm going to host on there. I wanted to have a forum for people to be able to talk to, and then set up final projects and stuff too. So it built out, I don't know about this final project thing. I'm going to have to cut it out because I'm like, I want to have multiple classes on here too. But for this one class alone, it built everything out. Like you can upload once I get over into Figma, I can be able to and I get it into Wix. I can upload my videos and stuff in here too. So they can go through the whole training portal. Then they can have a portion of like the form I got in there on the same page. And this will be the form and stuff. So all of this looks good. I guess I need to build out, I don't know what this advanced theory is. So I'm just learning all this stuff, and I'm just playing around with it tonight, so I can get a final thing done, and then upload it into Figma. And again, I don't know how long I'm gonna be online, just working on this, but upload it into Figma, and then from Figma make tweaks in it, and then from Figma take it up into actual Wix. So I watched a demonstration on how that's actually done, because Figma now has a live link connection with Wix to where you can upload your sites that you created in there into Wix. So I got an account with Figma to be able to do that. So that's the plan for tonight. So now I need to create. What would you like to change to create? Can you create? I don't even know what the advanced theory page is. Like what would that be? Like I see module introduction, the subtopic. It's the main landing page. I don't know what the advanced theory would be. Core concepts. I guess it could be more detailed knowledge base on the subject. Can you create the advanced theory page? I want it to be a technical breakdown of the subject, so that students who want to learn more detailed information on what they're learning, they can get it from there. All right, so now I'm having to create the advanced theory page. It's gonna be interesting to see what it come up with. because I like everything that's come up with so far. So it's just getting all of it to work. Core concept advancement, final project. Like even in this, I don't even know what I would have for the final project. Because the one I'm teaching is it's an audio engineering class. Fibonacci sequence. I had to actually learn about the Fibonacci sequence. Oh, it finished it. I was like, where is it at? Can I not move it? Yeah, see, it that's the problem now too. So it created a secondary thing, which is which is fine. I can edit all that up in Figma. Like I can make everything just sync up and put all the pages and stuff together in Figma. But I do like this. Like I can fix all this stuff to the side. Yeah. So now that I have this, how do I bring this over into Figma? I think that's what I'm running into. Like it even does a color palette for you. Like that's hot. Like I really wanted a good color palette. And what's crazy is I did art in school. And I used to be really good at it. And then I stopped doing it. It's like once you stop doing something, you lose it. So I lost it. But it creates your color palette and stuff, like your brand designs. I like all of that. So now, yeah, I like everything that it's come up with. How can you get this stuff in order? Direct. No, I don't want to do that. Upload, design system, favorites. Nah. Like, how do you get it into Figma? Let me pull that up real quick. This guy went through this example of it. Let me run that back.
I just finished designing this professional looking modern mock-up in Figma that I'd like to use for my new...
Nah, that's Figma to Wix. Hold on. Hold on. How to take design in Google Stitch and bring it over into Figma. Select the frame or screen you want to move. The command, look for a copy to Figma. Huh? No screen. Oh, no, I want to select all screens. Shawty, will you stop? Can I select multiple screens? Oh, it automatically comes up. Where? Your HTML will be sent to code to design and process according to this. In Figma. All right, I'm in Figma. Fourth sector digital class. No. Training page. Add people. I ain't add nobody, just me, y'all. So I'm inside of Figma, so now what? Open a design file. Oh, open design file. And do pimping. I can do all of them like that, right? So I think this is the, yeah, this is a class page. Copy. Yup. The introduction. Core concepts. Oh, okay. All right, so I got that page. So this will be the next one. Export Figma. Like even so, I didn't even know about Jules. So Jules is this new like a code assistant where it can create like alongside you and code. You can even direction actually code for you. That's gonna be my next project. But it's like to get an app going, man, you gotta. Why to do that? No, I want a separate page. It's because I had it selected? It was. All right. No, advanced theory is next. Export into Figma, convert into a Figma file. Copy. It didn't bring everything over. Export into Figma. I mean, I guess I didn't need all the stuff on the bottom. That just would have been good to have. Yeah, it's not bringing everything over on the bottom. What is it doing? Like, why is it doing all that? Which is, I mean, it's the same thing I had. Stop. Why is it not copying everything? Regenerate mobile app version, instant prototype. Yeah, it's not copying. Whatever. I can look on here and just build it out myself. It's so weird because it's got everything else. Now, the question is, like, how do you put them in order? Or do you do them page by page? And how do I do what thing? No. Yeah. How do I don't want to just grab. I want to grab. Like, move the page over. Dev mode. All right. This needs to be fixed. I like that. Accelerate learning for designers who want to dominate the modern web. No, I don't know about all that. I don't know about that wording. All right, let me start a whole nother chat for ideas. On fourth sector digital website. All right, so can I copy that? Can I say in this place to line up with the train that be I don't know about it. It's a master the architecture of the modern digital landscape, from production grade media workflows to enterprise level network security. Learn to build, secure, and scale with professional precision. I like that. Where high velocity media production meets enterprise IT, master the workflows behind professional content creation, cloud infrastructure, and secure digital ecosystems. No, I like the second one. We don't have any active students, so that can be taken out. Start learning now, that can stay in place. New curriculum. This is called how do I change the text? I know it's in the header. Oh, digital lab. I want that to be orange. Yep, I like that. Um, the headers across the top say, oh, I gotta get all these in line up. Templates, success, categories, and pricing. What can go there for page titles? I don't have any case studies. Yeah, I like that discipline investment. Yeah, I'm gonna call these assets. Success. Call these outcomes. Modules. Yeah, I'm just gonna say enroll. I don't even want pricing. I'm just gonna say enroll because you'll see pricing when you do enroll anyway. Yeah, I like that. Oh, nope, didn't mean to do that. Nah, why can't I? Is it like underlined? Appearance stroke. I know it's like selected, but I don't want it to be there because I mean, once I bring it over, does that matter? I don't know that it matters. It's like it's kind of redundant. I got enrolled and I got signed up over here. I guess I could keep it, man. Why can't I not? I want to just grab the screen and scroll over. I'm gonna copy that. No. All right, yeah, that works. Auto layout. It needs to be the same. That's wrong too. The digital lab. Making it orange. I think that's good. I mean, I'm clearly gonna get it when I import it over because it has to fit across the top. It's got to convert it to HTML and stuff. This does it need that? Because I don't think you necessarily. Well, I guess you want to get back to the main page. Digital. No, it was all caps. Lab. Can I not click the whole thing? Thank you. Where did I copy that? Paste it at? And why did it paste it down there? Where's it at? Where is it at? Copy. It like copies in the most random place. Oh, good, thank you. It'll fix it. Cause like, why is it so small? All right, so yep, this is wrong. Digital lab. Start learning. Like all this looks good. Make sure I ain't got nothing in the lowercase. Yep, nope. Yes, I don't even know how you even get this up here, the course completion. I don't know if that's something that on the back end Wix will be able to figure out. Yeah, all of that looks good. All right, so do you have to give them page headers? In Figma, you give pages names right now from importing over from Stitch. They say HTML. Body. Pages, style components, where you keep your brand DNA colors. Oh, I forgot to bring it over too. Export. I can't export it over? Why can't I export that over? AI Studio will open an HTML on the image file. We'll download in the background. Export main screens. Yeah. Vim app. I thought you was doing something. Like what were you doing? Export. No, I already got this page. Why can't I bring it over? That's so weird. Why can't I bring this one over? I can't even copy the clipboard. Will it? No, I'm interested. A class error creating a prototype. Cause it was not named. All right, this was the. Was this the main one? Yeah, this is the main page. Main page. Website page. You know what? He split screens. Oh, here we go. Yeah, Figma. All right, so that was class page overview. Module introduction. If I can spell. This is the student form. Student form. Get you out of the way. And this was the, what was it called? Advanced theory page. I think that's all of them. Yeah, that's all of them. No more. Close left view. All right. No. Bring that back. All right, this is fourth sector digital. The digital lab. All right, so we have the main landing page. Oh, bruh. So main page, class page overview, module introduction, advanced theory, and then student forum. So it's main page, class page, module introduction. What is that for real? What was that on? I don't want a container. All right, student forum. No. In the student forum. All right. That's the order I want them in. All the rest of the stuff, I can fix all the header and the footer and all that stuff in Wix. So I want to take this. Like, I can fix everything else in Wix. I just need this template over and through Wix. So he said, I'm about to put a video back up now. How did he get his color palette?
Sometimes you'll close the plugin, you'll do some work, and then you'll click on a new frame or the main frame here in the layers. Go back to
Oh. How's his laid out? iOS 18 plus iPad all library. What is all this? Is this stuff they had in there? Oh, this is one page? Shut it. I know you lying. Like, how's his laid out? Oh, I think I did this wrong. Because this got it as layers. Layers. Multiple site pages under one Figma. Oh, okay. I'm cool. Page one, the digital lab. All right, that's cool. I'm thought I was tripping. So I got the main page, body footer, top nav bar, container. Yeah, I can. All right. Forum discussion, resource help. These are placeholders. I can deal with some of the stuff that's already in here. That ain't happening. And as I said, Sorry, I'm sending text messages. Somebody text me. All right. So I think this is good. Yeah, I think it's good. How about now? I want my color palette. How do I get my color palette? Do I bring over my palette from Stitch to Figma? It won't export. Um, how to work in Figma for building a class portal and import it over to Wix now. Since you're using Google Search, but you're still in this Bob design experiment phase, can be hit or miss depending on which AI agent used to generate a design. If the copy of the Figma button isn't appearing or isn't working for you, here are the three most. The screenshot and eyedropper fast since you're like already looking at the colors instead. Take a screenshot of your stitch design. Or just, I mean, I guess I could do that. Let me move you. Move your here by yourself. What is it called? Snippet, yeah. All right, I'm gonna save that. The digital lab color palette. I'm gonna save in here on the 4th digital. Save. All right, so what are inside the Figma? Where's my file system at? There it is. Copy. Parque. Copy. Oh, there it is. I'm like, shawty, can I get it over here? Designer MD Raw. Stitch recently introduced a feature called Design.md that stores your design rules, including colors, in a way AI and other tools can read. Can it do that? No, I didn't allow that over here. Design.md. The quickest way to connect your screens into an interactive flow and share it. Yeah, I'm like, I ain't gonna do that. Not for that. No. That's so weird. I can't do that. Oh, I can make a zip file out of it. No screen select. What do you mean no screen select? This is selected. Oh, there it is. Look for the hex codes. Copy these codes and paste them into the hex field in Figma's color picker. No, I don't need that. I want the whole palette. I didn't even know this could do this. Wow, I just double clicked on it. Oh my god, this is some funny stuff. Oh, that is some funny stuff. Somebody hosted the Black Viltrumite. If y'all haven't been watching The Invincible, and so this is some funny stuff. Again, my ADHD kicking in. So they posted the Black Viltrumite, and the last episode, I don't know if it's the season finale, but it's the last episode. Thrag was like, they gonna integrate into Earth, and ain't nothing Mark can do about it. But if Mark got something to say, he need to go ahead and just forever rest his peace. But they gonna blend in, dress like humans, act like humans, so they can be out there smashing and making all kind of babies and stuff to repopulate the Viltrumites because they have a good DNA match with humans. But they got black, which is crazy to me because I'm like, oh, okay, so y'all can make. Y'all different than regular. I hate to say it. White folks down here can't make black people, but I guess up in on Viltrum, they can make all shades of people up there. So their response they said was, I wonder what Lukens, this is the Black Viltrumite, reaction is gonna be when somebody call him the N word for the first time, because they gonna be like, what is that? What does that even mean? And they gonna have to explain it to him. And I'm like, oh my God, the way this man would just kill them instantly. The way he just gonna smash their head and be like, man, get out of here with that trivial stuff. And just destroy them. What is this? Oh, that is hilarious. That is some funny stuff. No, wrong one. What? I'm able to move more, which is helping a lot. Anything to promote circulation. Hard to bounce back. If my leg's out of home, they said there's a reason to think my leg is still coming from my chronic incurable. I need another procedure. That is hilarious. I needed that laugh. All right, now again, the question is, how do I get it from here to here?
Which is recommended first step. Export frame, which is choosing a specific frame in our layers panel, or the
Convert to section. How does he get that up? Where are you pulling that thing from, sir?
team. So now what we can do is click on that plugin and do Wix Studio.
Oh, let me go to my Wix page. This is not my website anymore, y'all. This is like how it looks on Wix. This is my actual website. But because this is in Show It, so I'm have to build the class out over here and then upload it to sync up into Show It, so you can see it over here. All right, so I need to go to that page. Oh, just not services. Yeah, a blank page. No, I just want a blank page. Okay. A landing page? No, that's a blank page. the digital lab. All right, so I'm looking for add apps, or is it a plugin? You know what? Figma. Easily space display. This can I read? Figma to Wix Studio. Where is that at? It's a plugin. Where is he getting this from? No, not that. Hurrah. Media, my business, app, site design, pages and menu. AI section generator. No, I don't need that. Where do you find plugins at? Um, where do you find plugins at? Where do you find plugins? Wix. You already have a functioning website. The Wix app market inside of the editor. Open your Wix editor or app market. Figma to Wix Studio. Spell it. I don't see that. Where is he pulling it from? Easy display Figma and Figma. Yeah, I'm not seeing that. All right, Google search. I'm not seeing the Figma to Wix Studio plugin in Wix. And run it to connect to your Wix studio project. Open my design in Figma. I'm in here. No. But not want that. Publish the community. No, I ain't doing that. Pippin, what? How, he's in Wix too. No, he's not. He in Figma. How? Am I tripping? Like, how is? Well, y'all can't see this man's page. No, that's Google Studio. No. I don't even need that no more. I was just showing y'all something. I don't need that no more either. I don't need that either. Plugins and widgets. Wix. Where is he pulling it
So
from?
I'm going to go to the plugins right here under the resources. You can go to plugins and search for Figma to Wix.
Figma to Wix Studio. Oh, there it is. Yep, y'all. I can't show y'all that. Let me pull up my let me pull up Parrot while I run this. Export your Figma design to Wix Studios. Get started. Open import from Figma panel. Tools. I'm not seeing tools. I see files, edit, view, object, text, arrange, vectors. Sorry, I don't see no tools. Oh,
Studio. That plugin will show up right here. You can also check it out.
and I'm going to the land of aliens this summer. Doctor said on Tuesday there's no medical need to cancel my trip, so I'm going to Ireland in June.
out in the community. This is the Figma to Wix Studio official plugin built by the Wix Studio team. So now what we can do is click on that plugin. It's going to give us some instructions to export our Figma designs to Wix Studio. So click on Set Up Export, and that's going to give you some instructions. We want to connect this file to Wix Studio. The way we can do that, if we're in the desktop app, the native app, then just go Command L. It'll copy the Figma file link to your clipboard. If you're using the browser, just copy the URL. Now,
Okay. All right, he said copy the URL. Okay.
now we need to create a new studio site. Go to wixstudio.com, sign up for free. And then what I want you to do is create a new site from a blank canvas.
I don't
Now
want
what
to
you
do
need
that.
to do is click on the Wix Studio logo in the top left and then go to Tools, Import.
I don't see no Wix Studio logo. We already did all that. Import from. Oh, no. He's in Wix. Is he in Wix? I don't. Import from Figma. Reload page. Maybe need a fresh reload. Oh, I guess y'all can't see it anymore. All right, no, we need to get back to the page. Did it not save it? It, son of a bitch. It did not save it. I'm gonna put out the services. All right, now move site to trash, my dashboard. Where is that at? It's like this stuff is made to be so difficult. Open your Wix editor, look at the left hand side bar, search for the online programs. Look for booking Wix event. I'm in Wix looking for the import from Figma setting. Where is it located? Hover over tools. So I can't. I gotta do it in Wix Studio. How do you get to Wix Studio though? Hold on, I gotta send y'all back to the because I don't think I can do that from where I'm at. Resources. It's like, why can't resources. Where is he at? He's on the page itself, but I don't want to create a brand new page. It's always a learning curve, man. How do you edit your existing website in Wix Studio? Go to sites page in your Wix account, find your existing site, and click through three dot actions. No, shorty. Create a version. Oh, I see that. Create a version. Move. Create a version on Studio. Okay, so now bump all that. I want to edit the website now. No, Wix Studio version. I've seen them do so much stuff in this thing. It's like I ain't even gonna lie. It's actually fire. I'm like, are you gonna bring it over? What in the hell is it doing? Start working on your studio version of your site. No, don't do that. Yeah, leave that. I want to go back to the Wix Studio one. Cause I don't necessarily need. I need just one page. Why is it doing that? Like, why is it doing that thing all over again? Like, it didn't bring nothing, and I mean, when I mean say nothing, it brought nothing over here. Oh, this is wild. I don't even know where to start because it didn't even create my whole website. How does it created a Wix version? I mean, studio version. It didn't even bring up all of my stuff. It brought up my client list, which is that's more than that. It didn't bring over everything. Yeah, it really didn't bring nothing. Like, why would it say it didn't bring nothing over? What is an upgrade? So I already got a premium plan. What are you talking about? Anyway, let me add in a blank page. Design once, generate unlimited pages. The digital lab. All right, whatever. Whatever. No, not that. Tools. Import from Figma. Get plugin. All right, run. He says skip that.
Import from Figma. That'll add that to your starting point. Now, let's say we're working on the site and we want to skip to this part in the plugin. Sometimes you'll close the plugin, you'll do some work, and then you'll click on a new frame or the main frame here in the layers. Go back to your plugin, click on the plugin, and you don't want to go through the whole setup portion of the plugin again. So just click skip setup and it'll go straight to your starting point. So we have three options here: the export style, which is recommended first step; export frame, which is choosing a specific frame in our layers panel, or the top level frame to export the entire site, or to use wireframes. For now, we're going to jump into exporting our style and then exporting some frames to get this site over into Wix Studio, lickety split. All right, so now that Figma and Wix Studio are talking via the Figma to Wix Studio plugin, the first step is to export the style from the site. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose the specific frame that we want the styles to be exported from. Good practice here is to export the styles from the entire site. So choose the top level frame, and that's going to take a moment here to look at all the styles, and then we can export those over to Wix Studio. All right, so here.
How? Where did he pick that at? I mean, these are the colors, so. Yeah, I mean, these are colors. I mean, I do like to export styles.
Here are the styles it wants to export. It's
oh, so it's there. Cool.
got all these different colors that I'm using on the site. So this is just combing through the entire top level frame and finding all the colors, the hex codes, and then typography is all here, all the fonts and font sizes that I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and click. That's going to apply our site to view them. Let's go check it out. So here it's importing from Figma, and here we have exactly what we saw in the plugin, the colors and the typography. I'm going to go ahead and apply these styles to site. That's going to apply our site color styles right here, background and text colors to action colors to our extra colors, and then it just has defaults here. So that's great. We can adjust this if we want. I actually want to make this gray somewhere around here, and this to me looks.
Where's he at? Site color style. Why does his look so different than mine?
Fine. And the typography, we can see that that came over as well. So it's using a heading 1 and a heading 2. And then we've got our paragraph 1, 2, and 3 using our cabinet grotesque medium. But the problem is I can see heading 3, 4, 5, and 6 are just using the default Wix made for font because I didn't utilize heading 3, 4, 5, and 6 in my design. So if I wanted, I can change that right now by clicking on it and editing this to make sure to use our proper font. So I'm going to use
that's so late. Obviously, it was so funny. Not so bad, but getting them on is hard.
cabinet grotesque medium. And if you have a problem with the site fonts, if you use a special font in Figma and it's not available in your Wix Studio account, then all you have to do is click on it and you can upload new fonts right here, and then it will work for you. So now that our site styles are set up from the typography to the colors, that means that anything that we add to the site is going to use those styles by.
I'm worried now because I'm like, this site is not published. So if I publish this, will that supersede what I have set up in Show It? If I create a new class page in Wix and publish it, but my site is being redirected into show it, will that then mess up my show it page because I did an update in Wix? You only remember because your domain is point at show, the rest of the world only sees what the show always can overwatch the show design because they're living on two different servers. None of your domains. Go see it. The forefront from show it because show it does not know the page exists on Wix internal URL. Oh, okay, cool. Cool. When it's page visible. Okay. So I can finish it. And so, all right. I just had to make sure of that because I'm like, what if I miss something up?
So I want you to
I'm probably about to take a
how
break
I've
off of this though.
My layers here in Figma. We have a top level frame, and as children of that frame,
And I can work on this like the bulk of Sunday.
That are the sections of the site.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a chill on this, so I'm gonna stop.
Hero, the statement, benefit.
I'm at a good stopping point because at least I got everything over in Figma. So I'm at a good stopping point. I know now how to get it over into Wix. And I had to get it in Wix Studio because I was still using the old Wix because my site has been up for like some years now. So I will be back live on Sunday. I'm gonna be live on Sunday and stream all this. And then I'll build it out. I'll do some back end stuff before I get online with you all. I'm gonna build it out in Wix. Some of it. And then upload it, and then finish up the whole design. We'll save it, and then finish the whole design aspect of it. So I'm gonna stop and then start back up my gaming stream because right now I'm dual streaming on YouTube. So thank y'all for tuning in. I know y'all probably ain't see much, but I mean, at least we took it from from Stitch. So we saw this design and we created it in Stitch. Which is, I love the design. I love the form. I love how it's built out. It's going to be interesting to see. And then we took it from Stitch into Figma. And so now I'm taking it from Figma into Wix Studio. So it's going to be, and you can't do it from Stitch. So no, there's no way to export from here or anything. You got to select a site from here into Wix. So I have to take it into Figma and then from Figma into Wix. Because then I get more functionality creating stuff in Figma. And I can work on it some more too offline too. But yeah, the cool part about it is now I got it there. I can get it into Wix Studio. And once I get in Wix Studio, then I can really start I know my way around Wix. Not Wix Studio, the old one. Because I'm like, where some of this stuff is at. So I'm going to take it from Wix Studio and then edit it up some more. And then we'll work on that probably the bulk of Sunday. Like almost all day Sunday. So yeah, I'll be back live to do this. I'm gonna close this down and then I'm gonna start my gaming stream back up. But thank y'all for tuning in again. Y'all be safe. Y'all be blessed. Think every day. If you got somebody around you that love up on them. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say to that. I'll holler at y'all. Peace out.